Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to change language on Call of Duty mobile application. To change your language on Call of Duty mobile, first of all, open the Call of Duty mobile on your device. And once you are in this first homepage, click on the gear icon located at the top right corner of the main screen. Soon after you do that, this will open up the settings menu. Go ahead and scroll down from the left-hand side menu and tap on language. From the list of language options, choose the language you prefer from the list. After you select a language, you will need to restart the game for the change to take effect. Click on OK and log into your account again. And soon after you do that, you will be able to change your language on Call of Duty Mobile. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.